Hi everybody, and this is a butterfly knife tutorial. So yeah, what you're gonna do for this trick is you're gonna wanna grab a hold of it like this, with the blade facing this way, my thumb pointing that way, and then it looks like this. Okay, got it? Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna grab it like this, then flip it over like that. Then you're gonna wanna flip it really hard to where you can get it like this around your thumb. And then once you get right there, you're gonna wanna flip it back into this motion, then go back, and then just like the normal trick, like that. So that's that one trick. Then this next trick, you're gonna want to have it open, and it looks like this. Okay, like that? Okay, so I'm gonna show you the trick slowly. It's basically the same thing, but in reverse. Basically that, flip back, then something like that. And that's really it for this video. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you the basic opening, that and that. Okay, for the opening one, you're gonna want to grab the bite handle, flip it down, flip it back over, then flip it up. Simple, right? Yeah. And then for the closing trick, you're gonna wanna flip down, side, up. Got that? It's my butterfly knife, by the way. Isn't it awesome? Okay, so that's the video. Hope you learn better with this. I certainly just... Oh, and I'm going to want to show you. You're going to want to grab the safe handle. You're going to want to start it like that. Then flip it over your knuckles right there. See that? And you're going to want to flip back on your hand. Like that. And then flip forward. Just flip forward. Like you're going to throw it, but with grip. So that is the tricks for this trick, I guess. Okay, roll cinematics.